Hello, sweetie. Where have you been all day? Hmm? Where have you been all day? You're on one foot. You want a Snacko? Is it going to start up again? Welcome to the cloud forest. And the green. You're looking pretty floofy. You really are looking pretty floofy. You want a Snacko? Duh. Get on with it. Okay. You sit there and I'll get the Snackos. Do you have anything to say? Hmm? You're back on one leg again. Where's Hubster? Where's Hector? Do we need to hurry? Back on one leg again. All right. Oh, look at that. This stuff is out of control. Sweetie, did you get your nails done? Did you get your nails done? Hmm? These guys? Yeah, hello. Hamster. They don't stop during. Well, hello. Aren't you just like sitting right there? That's a Rufus. You get a lot to look at, don't you? How close? That's about how close you can get. Wow. Geez, Girlie, you're on number 2 already? Hmm? Why do you look so nervous? No, see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You gonna go hide it? Yep. Welcome to the green.